When I was 3 and Bailey 4, we had arrived in the musty little town, wearing tags on our wrists, which instructed to whom it may concern that we were Margaret and Bailey Johnson Jr. from Long Beach, California, en route to Stamps, Arkansas. C.O. Mrs. Annie Henderson. Our parents had decided to put an end to their calamitous marriage, and Father shipped us home to his mother. A porter had been charged with over welfare. He got off the train the next day in Arizona, and our tickets were pinned to my brother's inside coat pocket. I don't remember much of the trip, but after we reached the segregation southern part of the journey, things must have looked up. Negro passengers who always traveled with loaded lunch boxes felt sorry for the poor little motherless darlings and plied us with cold fried chicken and potato salad. Years later, I discovered that the United States had been crossed thousands of times by frightened black children traveling alone to their newly affluent parents in northern cities or back to grandmothers in southern towns when the urban north reneged on its economic promises.
Good job. And what is the name of that book you're reading?
Maya Angelou, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings.
You're so great. And you're going to finish reading some more on another day, but I am so proud of you, girl. You be doing your thing. I'm proud of you. You did good. How do you feel about it? Are you proud of yourself?
I'm proud of myself.
You should be. You really should be. That's great. Good job, Patience.
Thank you. Bye-bye.